Let's go. 90 again.
Hey, is this our winner girl right here? Yep. Nice job. Good job. You all got one. You all got one. You got one. Everybody else is won when they get here. That girl out there is done.
Let's go, Maddie. Let's go, Maddie. Come on, Maddie, fight. Let's go, Maddie.
19.
No, the rest of them kept going.
The rest of them's got one to go.
Results from the girls' long jump: in third place from Kirkwood High School, Mara Manili. In second place from Timberland High School, Alicia Alexander. And this year's girls' champion, the long jump from Dexter High School with a jump of 16.9½, Michaela Waldner. Third place in the boys' long jump from Kirkwood High School, Tyrion Gilbert. In second place from Timberland High School, Tialo Holt. And this year's boys long jump champion with a jump of 21 feet 2 from Kirkwood High School, Antonio Phillips.
What's your number, Whitfield?
In the boys triple jump, third place with a jump of 41 feet from DeSmet, Ethan Arusha. In second place with a jump of 41 feet 4 inches from Lafayette, Nathan Daly. And this year's boys triple jump champion with a jump of 43.3½, Tajon Sutton.